Good morning, Jonathan here, and it's great to be in this part of the city early in the morning right now. When it's quiet, people are still just getting ready for the day. I'm up and running because it was really packed here last night. You can't really move about much, but now it's quiet. So just let me show you around what is happening at the back. Early morning risers, they are doing some exercises. In the last time I shared in Istanbul, I shared about the power of the importance of being intentional in your observable learning. I found that is the power and the use of colors. How colors transform the moods, the happiness, the joy of the people, especially along the Huangpu River here that you can see at the background, and the buildings at the side on both sides on Putong and Puzi, how it transformed into this wonderful area of lights, which I'm going to be sharing later on here. Just amazing. So how do you use colors? Do colors actually transforms the emotion? Do colors actually bring out joy, bring out happiness? What does color mean for you? I'm curious to know. So share a couple of thoughts on how you have seen colors, or what are some of the other places that have actually leveraged on this power of colors to turn a very normal river into a wonderful tourism product. A couple of them I can remember or think of is in Bangkok, in Hong Kong. But what other places have you seen that people or countries or cities that have actually leveraged on this power of colors to make it a fantastic tourist attraction? Have a great day, and I hope that you've enjoyed this segment that I'm sharing with you. Be awesome always.